Hello everyone, good day. By the way, my name is Christian Dave Sawit. We're living in Dasmariñas, Cavite. So, if you're going to ask me what's the reason why I pick Sish para sa asawa ko, dahil currently dito siya nanganak. But way back before, ilang beses na rin kasi ako na-confine dito. Even my mother, she was also had her major surgery here in Sish. So why do we keep on choosing Sish? It's because here we feel safe. Everything talagang nararamdaman namin na we're being taken care of, and talagang yung mga even pagdating sa mga staff, sa mga concierge nila, sa mga lahat, to be honest, in total, they are really worth choosing for. And for the doctors, we're really, I do really appreciate them so much kasi kanina and then kahapon, they are making me feel that I don't have to worry about anything or everything because my wife and baby are super safe. So thank you so much, South Imus Specialist Hospital. Hindi kami magsasawang umulit-ulit dito. So, and when it comes to recommendation, hindi rin kami magsasawang sabihin na Sish ang para sa lahat. Thank you.